Guys, I am super excited for this video and I am bringing the energy today because I cannot wait to share with you guys my first month earnings on YouTube. What's up everybody, my name is Mercedes Gomez, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. This channel is all about passive income, side hustles, and me being fully transparent of my entire journey along the way to quitting my 9-to-5 job. So guys, without a further ado, I just want to dive right in and talk to you guys all about YouTube, all about the YouTube Partner Program and how it differs from Amazon Influencer Program and why you should do both. Now, I've talked about it a ton on my channel. I have always encouraged you guys to take your Amazon Influencer product review videos and post them to YouTube. And that's because YouTube is a great way to earn extra money. Although it starts out really small, I think YouTube's potential is to the moon. I truly believe that. I believe that YouTube is something or a program that you could put all your eggs into one basket. And that's because I don't think YouTube is going anywhere. I think YouTube is here to stay. YouTube is something that so many people use, so many people watch, and I don't see it going anywhere. So for that reason, guys, that is exactly why I am making sure that I focus on YouTube, that I make content for YouTube, and I'm in it for the long run. It takes years before you see massive results. And so 10 years from now, you're gonna wish you started today. So I am here to highly recommend to you guys to start your YouTube channel now. Now, something that I've always prided myself on and I've been super thankful for was that the Amazon Influencer Program really got me more comfortable in front of the camera and made me start my YouTube channel. So maybe right now all you're doing is posting your review videos to YouTube and you created a channel for that. Well, maybe you'll start another YouTube channel and actually show yourself or talk about a journey that you're on or talk about whatever you're interested in. And if you do that, you would have 2 YouTube channels plus the Amazon Influencer Program. There is no limit to how many YouTube channels you can have, and all of them can grow and get monetized. And if you're watching this video right now, you're in luck, because YouTube has just changed up their monetization policies, and now it's easier to get monetized and easier to be able to get into the YouTube Partner Program. So all you need to get monetized into YouTube currently is 500 subscribers and 3,000 watched hours. You also have to just post 3 public videos within a 90-day period, and you can get monetized to the program. You can also get monetized by doing shorts, but it's a lot harder. I think you need like 3 million or so views within a certain period if you want to get monetized doing shorts, YouTube shorts. When I got monetized into YouTube, you still needed to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watched hours within 1 year. And so I was super excited when I hit that within a few months. Now, by no means is YouTube easy, but YouTube has been so fun. It allows me to express myself creatively, and I'm just having a blast doing it. So now that I'm getting paid to do this, I am super excited. I'm blessed, I'm grateful, and I can't wait to keep doing this for years to come. So like I said, this video is gonna be all about my earnings. I wanna show that to you guys, and I hope I can encourage you to start YouTube, because even though the money might not seem like a lot right now, it can turn into something huge in the long run, and you don't want to have any regret. So starting now would be the best way to go. So let me dive into this. Let me show you my screen and let's look at exactly how much I made my first month in the YouTube Partner Program. Okay, everybody, this is my channel analytics. This is the back end of my YouTube channel, and I blurred out my total amount of money so we can see that towards the end. But this is my graph essentially. And so June 4th was when I was, approved into the program, but my first day of monetization was June 5th. So June 5th, my first day in the program, I made $8.29. As you can see down here, there's a video, and that's because I posted a video on that day, which helped spike my revenue on that specific day and helped to bring me in that $8.29. So I'm gonna do my earnings from June 5th to July 5th and show you how much money I made in that time frame. So like I said, the very first day in the program, $8.29. The next day, June 6th, I made a whopping $16. Now, that was because my video from the day before was doing really well. Now that video only has about 1.7 thousand views. So as you can see, I'm not a huge YouTuber. I don't get a ton of views per video, but at least making over 1,000 views per video bring in you some pretty decent money. I'm hoping to just scale this and grow this over time, but like I said, with getting 1.7 thousand views, I made $16. So that's not always the case, and it depends on what niche or what kind of category you talk about on your YouTube channel, but the finance realm definitely makes a lot more money. And this is from ads. This is from ads being placed on your YouTube videos, and that's what's bringing you in the money. So just 2 days in, I'm making good money and I'm really excited. But as you can see on this graph, this is the highest day that I've had in the whole month. So $16 was the most I made. There's a few other peaks here, but $16 was definitely the most. Moving on to June 7th, I made $2.88, and that's kind of the norm for me. I'm making close to $2 to $3 a day right now, and that's because I just, I don't get that many views. So don't let that scare you. You can definitely be a monetized channel with just over 1,000 subscribers or just getting a few hundred views, and you're still gonna make money. The point is to grow it. The point is one day I'm gonna look back and laugh at the amount of money I made, because it's gonna be a lot higher. I know it will. You just have to keep working, keep growing your fan base and your following, and eventually the money will grow. The money is just an after effect for my creativity, for my videos, for my product that I'm putting out to you guys. So I don't care about the money, but I want to show it to you guys to motivate you, because getting monetized was one of my first goals, and I'm so excited to have hit it. So moving on, as you can see, 226, 241, 147, 132. So definitely the spikes happen on days that I post videos. These are days that I post videos with the little YouTube logo here at the bottom. And that day, 575, 620, 498, 541. So, days that I post videos, I'm around $5, $6. And without posting videos, I'm about $2, $3. Moving on to June 26th, that's when I had my next peak. And I had $11.48 that day. Going down, 595, 445, 296, and just rounding out the month around $2. So all in all, that's what it looked like my first month in YouTube, and I know you want to know my total. So the total amount of money I made on the YouTube Partner Program in my first month was $126.78. This check, when I receive it, will be framed. I will forever be grateful. And this is a huge accomplishment for me. I never, ever, ever would have thought that I would be monetized on YouTube. So seeing this right here and being able to create this video is already a huge blessing for me. Now, to end this video, I kind of just want to talk to you guys about my YouTube strategy, what I'm planning to do moving forward, and how I can encourage you guys to start. Now, I have definitely been a shy person. I'm nervous. I don't like the sound of my voice. I don't like how I look on camera, but all of that stuff will come as you do it. The only way to get more comfortable and to like the sound of your voice is by just making content and posting it on YouTube. I promise you, nobody cares. Nobody cares about how you sound. Nobody else is gonna think you sound weird or look weird. Just make the content, post on YouTube as consistently as you can, and you will grow. So now that I'm here getting monetized, now that I'm, making consistent content, I've really been trying to think of my strategy and what I'm gonna do to grow this channel and grow my following. And what I think I need to do is post on all social media platforms and make more vertical content. So I'm gonna be introducing some new segments here on my YouTube channel with a lot more shorts and a lot more reels and a lot more content that I can post across all of my channels. And I'm gonna give business advice, motivational advice, and I'm just gonna be real and make short form content. And I really think that's gonna help my channel grow. So if you're trying to grow, I would use that advice, make vertical content, and take advantage of all the new types of social media that's coming out, all the new features that social media is rolling out, because all of that is really gonna help you grow. So I'm really excited to do all of that. I hope you stick around for the journey on that, and I'll give you guys some updates on that as I roll out the content and as I see it changing or, progressing on my channel. So I hope you guys liked my 1 month earnings video. I hope to make plenty more of these and encourage you guys to start YouTube, because YouTube and Amazon Influencer Program is like a deadly 1-2 combination. I think it's great. I think it can really help you, and then you can continue to grow other side hustles and other passive income streams as well. But doing these two are doing wonders for me, and I think they can do wonders for you as well. And so if you have any questions, make sure you guys DM me. Please like this video, comment down below, turn on post notifications, subscribe to my channel, and stick around, because I have a ton of content that I want to bring to you guys, and I will be introducing some new segments to my shorts on YouTube. So thank you guys so very much. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.